Newly accredited transport network company Pick Up Philippines has signed an agreement with MG Philippines through one of its dealerships that will pave the way for a new ride-hailing service that features purely electric vehicles. Pick Up CEO Dave Almarinez says the new service using full battery-powered vehicles initially from MG Philippines will be called Pick Up Blue.
We just signed a MOU with MG and Pick Up. The goal is to roll out electric vehicles sa ating mga ride-hailing sa Pick Up para maging available. Hinahabol natin to hopefully by December. Ma-roll out na natin ito sa Metro Manila at nearby provinces. And one of the main highlights dito kasi ay yung sustainability. So makikita ng mga tao na makakasakay sila sa 100% electric vehicles. So hindi siya common na vehicle. Yung comfort, yung convenience, at the same time yung technology that we built together combined, tingin ko magugustuhan nila yung Pick Up Blue na tinatawag natin. That's the product that we actually going to launch very soon.
The electric vehicles that will be acquired for the new Pick Up Blue service will be provided by the MG Malabon dealership.
This contract signing that we have is an agreement between Pick Up and MG Malabon. We're the dealership and SAIC Motor Philippines is the distributor. So technically, SAIC Motor Philippines cannot enter into a contract. So it has to pass to a dealer. So that's why we're here. And the dealer now will see to it that we deliver the units on time according to what they need.
Lahat ng airports available na tayo, Terminals 1, 2, and 3. At sa mga bus terminals rin natin, lalo na ngayon parating mag-Christmas season yung ating mga OFWs. And we give 20% discount sa ating mga OFWs na parating to and from all our airports ng Terminals 1, 2, and 3. So download lang nila yon, pakita lang nila yung mga IDs nila or any other proof na sila ay nagtatrabaho sa abroad, ay bibigyan na sila ng 20%.